Here's your latest Kansas City forecast from meteorologist Wes Peery.
It's a iced coffee, cold brew type of season, really type of year, right? 94 degrees, 97 is what it feels like outside here on the plaza. Plenty of sunshine, and the trees are not moving around very much at all. It is just a plainly hot afternoon here across the Kansas City metro. Ironically, the winds in the middle part of the atmosphere are moving out of the northwest, and if this was wintertime, it would be a heck of a lot colder, but it doesn't matter if it's a northwest wind, it's still very hot out there. These winds are called the steering winds. They will push the thunderstorms around. And so in this pattern, you look what's coming downstream, or rather upstream. And here we are, some thunderstorms here near Rapid City, a whole area of severe thunderstorm watches in effect. As those thunderstorms form over the next few hours, they will eventually get pushed toward Omaha, St. Joseph, and Kansas City. And the key is, do they survive that trek toward us? And they certainly might survive that trek, because we're getting hints from weather models that they will arrive maybe into northwest Missouri sometime around midnight, and these thunderstorms will carry the threat for some damaging wind gusts. This model brings them in around 3 a.m. Let's try to not get caught up too much on what the timing of this weather model in particular is saying. Just listen to what I'm telling you in terms of the timeline, and we'll be okay. Northwest Missouri around midnight here for the thunderstorms to come in. They get here in the Kansas City metro sometime between 4 a.m. and 7 a.m. But you can see this model does weaken them up, and that's the general trend. However, if they come in with severe thunderstorm warnings in northwest Missouri around midnight, they still could pack a punch with some 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts like what we saw just early yesterday morning. Very similar setup, so something similar could happen again tonight into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, again, maybe some showers and thunderstorms, and if that line blows through the entire area, again, like it did Tuesday morning, there will be no thunderstorm chances for our Thursday afternoon. If that line fizzles out right near Kansas City, that will be the spot in which you can get more thunderstorm forming on Thursday afternoon. So two things could happen. There could be thunderstorms that blow through the entire area tonight into tomorrow morning, or they could get into northwest Missouri, fizzle out, and then provide the chance for some pop-up thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. 40% chance of rain for tonight, 30% chance of rain for tomorrow. These percentages may change. We just have to see what happens over the next 6 hours. Then we'll be able to diagnose what may happen for the overnight period and into tomorrow morning. Sometimes weather is just that tricky. What is not so tricky about the forecast is that there's a cold front coming through on Friday. This gives us a much better chance of rain. So your Friday evening plans, wet, stormy, and this could create some severe weather as well. We're underneath a level 2 out of 5 threat for severe thunderstorms Friday evening. Damaging wind gusts are the biggest threat. Following that cold front, it gets cooler. Imagine that. It doesn't always happen that way in the summertime. Lower 80s and cloudy for Saturday, the chance for some light rain or some drizzle sticking around, and then back up near 90 degrees for Monday and Tuesday, and another few days into next week, which is only in the lower 80s for highs following some thunderstorm chances.